searching for my roots, what I'm doing here. Going to the next location. I got a hot tip from a private investigator that, well, he's supposed to be telling me where I can find, you know, family. I'm looking for my family. Let's check it out. Do you know my dad?
I don't know no puppets.
I was talking to the door, you moron. Let's get out of here. Hey, a lumber mill. Now this looks promising. Now I don't think I've ever actually been inside a lumber mill. Murderers! Murderers! Get the hell out! Oh, the horror. The horror! This is painful, but I must continue. Oh, here's a... Oh, check... Oh, here's a place. Oh, this is it. This is it right here. The Hall of Wood. Wow. Loser. Now they're cool. He's cool. What the hell's that? My hero. Mm-hmm. That's funny. Now this has gotta hurt. Hey, a furniture store. Let's go in. These are my brothers and sisters. Run! Be free! Run! Be free!
Let's go!
So, you're a carpenter?
That's right.
Okay, and what are you working on here?
Piece of wood.
So you mean to tell me that just because I'm made of wood, that doesn't mean I'm related to any of the lumber in your shop here?
That's right.
Well then, how do you explain that? Know what I mean? Roots? Get it? Roots? This is the great outdoors, you know, my kind of people. You know, trees, limbs, bark. Is that you, Uncle Phil? And this is my Aunt Louise. Not. I know this place. It feels so familiar here. What the... Hey, I'm sorry, did I hurt you? Hey, are you okay? What? What's going on, huh? You had me worried there, young boy. I thought you were a squirrel over here the way you were talking. I don't know what it is about this place. You know, a lot of people ask me, you know, how do I do my special effects? You know how? I use a dummy.
Are we done yet?
Loser. You know, I went on a search for my roots and I didn't find anything, but that's okay. I think I'm just contented sitting here, surrounded by my peers.